Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking on oil today as the black gold has fallen across the board on the back of the investor confidence fading for 2023 with the banking crisis and also the uncertainty around the next Federal Reserve move as well. So it's obvious that oil prices were going to be affected, and it seems that it has slightly been dented even further, hitting a 3-month low, breaking the $70 barrier for the first time in this particular this quarter. But what's most interestingly enough, we had a bullish channel really starting to break out until the back end of last week, where we've actually gone through that now. If we look on the charts in the near term, this is on the daily chart, as you can see here, very nice trend on this bullish run, nice support that was found at the beginning of February, but since then we've seen decline after decline, and as you can see, we are now on the back foot for oil, and it doesn't look like it's going to start pushing higher anytime soon. We are seeing confidence levels really starting to wane, especially with Credit Suisse's news yesterday as well. So everyone's kind of looking at who's the next bank to start being in trouble. Well, Bank of England are looking to take measures after the FTSE had its worst opening since the Russia-Ukrainian crisis began. So with that being said, are we going to see more and more of these transforms on the charts, and what's next in store for the markets as well? So if we just look on WTI or US oil, as you can see here, we are falling out of this particular zone, and breaking the $70 barrier is quite significant because this hasn't been done in 3 months. We are now looking to see if prices will start moving higher, and this will give us the impetus that price action can actually be reversed slightly. But $70 is what a lot of economists are looking at the moment. So just a couple of dollar move to the upside, but it seems very easy to do. But in this landscape of uncertainty and the optimistic growth outlook fading for 2023, we are now seeing possibly another downturn in the market, even though oil was supposed to be one of the front runners for 2023 to rebound and possibly hit $100. It seems vastly away from that at the moment. If we look on the 4-hour chart as well, we're seeing prices really start being pressured under the Ichimoku cloud, and this gives us the impetus that prices will probably keep on pushing lower as well. So as you can see here, we're looking for a slight correction or slight consolidation around the $70 area for now, and then we'll see if that actually breaks and starts moving higher. But very, very worrying times for oil traders, as it seems to be that the EIA this kind of news is not really relevant at the moment. It's all about the fundamentals going forward for the banking crisis and confidence as well. If we look on Brent, we're getting pretty much the same kind of price action, and bring it back on the daily chart. We're seeing now that prices have collapsed. As I said, 3-day losing streak. It was a 4-day when we opened the markets this morning. We just get a small bullish candle at the moment at the time of doing the video. So with Brent, it's a little bit more choppy in the sense that there wasn't really too much of a bull run. It was a very, very choppy market here, and then before we cracked this particular level of roughly about 78. So now that price, as I said, price action is starting to deteriorate. Are we going to see more and more levels of downward spirals? We'll have to wait and see, but it is looking likely that, as I said, the confidence in the market has been really shaken in the last few days. So this is what's really moving the markets quite significantly. Not too much on the RSI as well. I wanted to just make a point with WTI as well. There wasn't really many divergences on the RSI. We're just literally going on price action and where it can go in the next few trading days. Obviously tomorrow's the last trading day. We'll see if there's any more news over the weekend, so it's just something to look out for over the weekend if we have any big market gaps on the open on Monday, because obviously the weekend can bring more and more uncertainty as well, more big news for the banks. So keep an eye out for the banking crisis. This is really pushing oil, but gold as well. Gold is really starting to see another level higher, hitting the 1930 area yesterday. Are we going to see 1940 and 1950 by the end of the day? We'll have to obviously wait and see, but we'll bring you all the latest on our Telegram channel and our YouTube channels as we usually do. So thank you very much for joining me. Have a great trading day ahead and trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time around. Bye for now.